Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my Easy Cooking channel. It's really storming here today. In fact, I'm getting flash flood warnings on my phone, so definitely not going to be making a fishing video today. I'm going to cook something in my toaster oven, so let's get toasting. So when I was shopping at Lucky's yesterday, I happened to see this turkey roast for $4.99. It's only $1.29 a pound, and there was some next to it that were like $3.99 a pound. But I guess because December 10th, it says sell by December 10th, which was yesterday, they marked them way down. So I figured, you know what? For that price, I can't pass it up. Figure I'd bring it home and cook it in a toaster oven. Maybe I can make some sandwiches or something out of it. This one here is Classic Herb Turkey Roast, white and dark meat, ready to roast or grill. Pretty nice looking roast. Now I'm just going to take this regular old oven meat thermometer, stick it in the center of it. Now we'll put it in the oven. Okay, I set the oven temperature to 350 degrees, like it says on the package. Pull that rack out of there. We don't need that. Slide this on in there. And we'll let that cook till the internal temperature of that meat is 165 degrees. While the turkey's cooking, I just pulled the crock pot out of the fridge. This is the soup I made yesterday. That was my last video. But look how little fat is on top of that. That's how lean that stew meat I got was from the Sprouts Market. So I'm going to warm up a little bit of this now. I bought this little cast iron sauce pot mainly to use in my toaster oven, but I've been using it on the stove a lot to reheat soup and things like that. It heats it up really quickly, and then the cast iron holds the heat so it stays warm for a long time after. It's pretty neat. It's been an hour and 55 minutes, and my temperature just reached about 160 there, so I'm shutting it off. Now the package said it should take about an hour and a half, but that took an hour and 55 minutes. That's why I always use a meat thermometer. If you undercook it, you get sick. If you overcook it, you dry it out. So that's why I use a meat thermometer all the time. That looks like it turned out really nice. Now I have to get all this netting off of there. Then we'll cut into it. This thing looks like it turned out good, but let's cut into it and see for sure. A lot of juice on the plate there. Doesn't look too dry. Wow, hot. Look at all that. Let me show you guys how that looks inside. Nice and juicy, huh? Looks really good. Easy way to cook a turkey roast there. That's really hot. Looks pretty juicy. I think I'll make a sandwich out of it and heat up a cup of that soup and have soup and a turkey sandwich. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. I just realized I forgot to do the taste test to see how this marinade is. Gotta give it a try here. It's good, I like it. Kind of has a flavor kind of like stuffing. Must be the seasonings in it.